Let's see if I can get this right. Fence estimates here. Fence estimates, I think that sucked. Fence estimates are free here at Fix-A-Fence LLC, and that's affordable in today's fencing industry. Here at Fix-A-Fence LLC, we specialize in wood and chain link fence repair. We take on the small installs, nothing fancy, and no lattice at all. For me, listening to my customers is the key to a successful quote. Giving them solutions to fix their fence instead of draining their 401k. Call for your fence estimate or visit the website. Check us out online. Google us. We've got plenty of reviews. 4.9 stars. Fix-A-Fence LLC. From the smallest of fence repair to the complete wood or chain link fence install. Fix-A-Fence LLC can do it all. I think that sucked. I thought I'd come out and record a little commercial, but I don't know how that's gonna go. So check this out. This is my shop, man. The inside of my shop. I've got all that good stuff up there. You know, you gotta have labor laws, right? If we got a company going. So we got that up there. Anyway, so yeah, you know, just a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Diggers, got some new diggers, you know, a bunch of DeWalt tools over there, you know, and over here we got the cords hanging. These guys got this down pretty good, man. Yeah, Fix-A-Fence LLC. They even built this freaking cool little awning now. We got an awning up there now. That's kind of cool, man. You gotta walk up in here, you know, you'll walk up in here, you know, open the gate or open the door. It's a gate, you know, and then next thing you know, you come in here. We got to turn the light on because we got lights here, you know. We got light. That's kind of cool. And then the change, you know, we got the quick pulls, Northwest quick pulls. We got bowl pull. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, yeah. So whatever. Yeah. Table saw. We got a freaking generator. We got a jackhammer. This is the fence company shed, man. It was, I'll tell you what, there was a wall here, guys, and you couldn't, and then I had another shed and it was full of stuff. But so we took that wall out, cleaned this shed out, and now I got, you know, now I can actually walk through here. I can actually walk through to my shed here, back here. So, and that's where all the wood is. Well, what I got left anyway. But yeah. So that's kind of how that is, you know. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy there. That there, man, that thing there, he cuts concrete. I love it. That thing just zooms right through it, man. A little diamond blade, Husqvarna 770. Woo, baby. Yeah, that thing there. Tell you what, man. That thing there's a beast. Man, I first got it, it was like, that's loud, man. You don't hear earplugs. But whatever, you can't hear anyway, so what difference does it make? But anyway, all right, I'm out of here. I just wanted to do a little commercial and see how that went. I think that sucked. Whatever. It's been a while since I've been out here, man, trying to get some video content. I've been stuck in a house, you know, because I feel sorry for my damn self, but I'm getting better, I guess. Working on spelling the word retirement, you know, and I don't even know how to do that, man. That's a pretty big word. I can spell it, you know, I'm sure you guys can, but I'll probably be missing a couple of letters. Is there an I in there? A T to cross? I to dot? And probably be missing that too. Yep, probably so. Just another backyard professor. The goat. I don't know about that, man. The greatest of all time. No, man, there's other people out there that are better than me. But I have started this YouTube channel back in 2010, so my goodness, I have been here ever since it was with us from the beginning, you know. And you guys rode with me the whole time, you know, and going through this and that, and the AI crap that I put you guys through, and I think that sucked. Oh my goodness! And then not shaving, you know, I haven't shaved. Put you guys through that. Sorry about that. And then, you know, the sacroiliitis and my knees going bad, and but now you know what? Thank God, He answered my prayer. And my grandson is basically going to take over the fence company. So, oh, I'll be able to spend more time sitting on my ass. You guys take care. Have a great one, man. Thanks for watching. I think that sucked.